Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new adventures. Take a look at this 2021 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara 4xe in black clear coat with LED reflector headlamps, full body color fender flares, 20-inch aluminum wheels, removable rear quarter windows, heated front seats, remote start system, 25,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, select track full-time four-wheel drive system, rear 60/40 folding seat, Sky One Touch power top, 2.0 liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7883.